Hi and welcome back to How Ines Rolls. I'm on my way to Costco because it's time to get those things ready for our graduation party. I don't have too many. Let's go see what I get. I asked the boys if they wanted to come. They never know what I'm going to do, and I always do something special. I got butterbeer, so there's ice cream also in the bottom of that. And butterbeer flavors are like butterscotch, vanilla, caramel kind of blend. If you ever had a butterbeer, you could even go to Starbucks and ask for butterbeer, but you should probably Google what's inside it. It's pretty much just kind of like flavors that blend in very well, like a caramely, vanilla, butterscotch flavoring. So good. I feel like I have to go aisle by aisle because I didn't bring a list and I want to make sure I get everything I need, but man, Costco is the best. I love it here. Well, I hope I'm picking out the right ones because these ones look really dark, so I hope they're ripe enough. So I'm back from Costco. It's not as easy to record in Costco since there's so many people there. And the checkout guy's like, so you have a selfie stick? So anyways, let's get started. Now, before I start, I'll tell you that I spent $240 and some of that was for our family. So I'm actually kind of pleased that because it's so easy to spend a lot of money there, like easily $300 to $400 for our family of 6, which is not even that much when you think about it, but you just need so much stuff because kids eat a lot of food. Anyways, this is for the graduation. So if you've been following me, I have been preparing for this little by little, so it wasn't all at once, but still feels all at once. And I partnered with Winco to get some of the meat that we'll be barbecuing and smoking and using some of their spices from their open bins, and I'll link that video below. I'm also going to be linking the videos of the recipes I'll be making. So I'll tell you as I'm showing you some of the items, but I did tell you before that I'm going to be making the funnel potatoes, which are also the cheesy potatoes, and they are delicious. They are like the perfect side to like any barbecue or ham or Christmas meal, Thanksgiving. It is delicious. So if you haven't checked out that video, you should go take a look, and let's get started. First off, we got rolls. So we're gonna be making sliders or just having pulled meats. So that way they can either put them in a roll or just have it on their plate on the side. So my husband suggested the King's Hawaiian, and I am a fan of the Costco rolls. Now both of these, they've actually raised the price on this, like at least $1, but it used to be, I mean, it's still, for that many rolls, $5 is not too bad. So yummy, yummy. I'm gonna throw those in the freezer so they'll stay nice and fresh. So the Ruffles is for the topping, the crunchy topping for the funeral cheesy potatoes. 3 watermelons. I'm so excited. So Tina, I was like knocking them and I felt silly doing it in Costco. So I have some fancier napkins. And then I have some white plates because I also have graduation plates. So I'm going to have like some different colored ones and stuff. So I just wanted to have variety. My husband uses this cooking spray. He loves it while he's grilling. It's perfect. Some butter because we're going to have corn. And the sharp cheddar. This is the cheese that I use for those funeral potatoes now, or the cheesy potatoes. It does say any kind of cheese, but I really find that the sharp cheddar gives it the best flavor. I'm also, I don't know if I have enough cream cheese there. I'm just kidding. That's more than enough. But I am going to be making Nacho Mama's banana pudding. So I'm going to have some different kinds of desserts out. And so that will be useful. Now this is like one of the best buys at Costco. So if you're not a Costco member, cheese is like really cheap. It's like $3.99 or $4, $4.50 or something for that 2-pound block, which is a great deal. But these, there are 30 of these dishes, and that is $6. Amazing. Okay, so this potato salad is going to be also for I was thinking about which salads I should have. So I thought potato salad, I'll probably pick up a macaroni salad, or I might make that pasta salad. I'm still thinking. Okay, so these are for my family. They like those. Those will be great for sandwiches. And I'm going to have Crystal Light, because I'll have a big bin for juice, besides sodas and soft drinks. Those are going to go also with the funeral potatoes. And we were out of, you know, a little bit of syrup. But at least it's no high fructose corn syrup. So is that healthier? I don't know. I just got the Eggo waffles because we're starting to get into summer. And the kids just, you know, pop those in the toaster. And I can kind of mosey downstairs. So I enjoy having those. It's easy peasy. These are my favorite tortillas. And you know, we had for Cinco de Mayo some of the other tortillas that I just wasn't a fan of. So I just got another pack. I didn't stock up and get like 7 of them like I usually do, but just 1. Those were on sale. So I don't normally buy graham crackers unless I'm working. And I stopped working last week for the summer. So these are going to be for snacks for Ezra. And he loves those apple sauces. We just needed some flushable wipes, and you know, now that we're stocked for like 2 years. But this lemon juice is like this is the lemon juice that I use when I make anything with lemon in it. So I recently made a lemon cake, I think. I don't remember what I make anymore. But I do all the recipes that I use lemon juice. This is what I get, and we love it. And actually, one of my sons likes to put it in water. So whatever makes him drink more, right? And Grandma Sycamore. We love Grandma Sycamore. So those will be gone tomorrow because the boys love it so much. I'm just kidding. It'll be gone by next week, I'm sure. And then these little simple salads. These are, I talked about these before. This was like $6 for 2 salads. And they're really good. It's got a really great dressing. And I'm really picky about how salads taste, because I think a lot of prepared salads taste like, I don't know, preservatives, and I don't get that feeling from this, so I like it. So this is not too much, right? Everything here is going to be specifically for the graduation, and then I just picked up a few items for our kids, so, and our family. $240, not too bad. So this is what we're going to be dealing with. Got to go put things in the freezer now. Not too shabby, right? Everything was easy peasy. I got in and out. One I did buy, I forgot to show you, but I don't think you really want to see it. The mom swimsuit. They were selling them for $18. So if you know like a woman's swimsuit, they're usually at least twice as much. And all it is like a swimsuit that's black with the little skirt. And it's so funny. I never thought that I would be the woman who'd be like, find me the skirt swimsuit, because when I was younger, I vowed I would never wear those, and now I'm like, if you even can get me in a swimsuit, at least it's got to have a skirt. What we do to ourselves, women, but that's okay, because I'm sure my kids don't really want to see me in a 2-piece. So anyways, all of this was $240, and today is Wednesday, so come by Friday, the weekend, we have more family coming into town. I'm so excited, but I really can't do much right now because I don't want to deep clean everything and then have to re-clean everything by Monday again. So I'm like trying to go use these times, these days right now to go buy things that I can put in the freezer and buy like decor, more decorations, and get things organized. So stay tuned. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.